my goodness.
I haven't seen that one before.
That's a new one. I gotta pee. Hey, are we plugged in?
Bro,
What is that?
what? I don't know. Somebody's controlling. Well, it says we're ready.
We're plugged in, right? I don't know whose that is. That's a printer cable.
Yeah, this is the one they always do.
Drivers behind the line. T-minus 3, 2, 1. Crescendo. All right, starting auto. Up and in for 54.72. Up and in for 79.
All right, you got plenty here to amp now. Yeah.
Or should I go mid?
79.
Should I run mid?
Yeah, go mid, go mid.
I'm gonna get that one first, then go mid.
Real time scoring. 15-7. Advantage red.
We're way behind, boys. Way behind. You guys got to get it together here.
Away goes Stallions.
Nope. Slow down. Yep. Missing doesn't help us.
Up and in the amp from Nerds of Prey.
They can't get us.
Nerds of Prey with the second note in the amp.
Middle. Then you got one down here. Speaker.
Stallions
Get
with the note in
ready.
the
Get
amp.
ready.
Nerds of Prey on their way back. Nerds of Prey up and in that amplified speaker.
Right. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Send it.
Nerds of Prey lining up again. Deciding to go to the amp and setting.
You got one in front right there. You got one in
79
front.
with the note in the speaker.
You just lost your computer here.
We're good, we're still driving.
There's one in the middle. Hey, speaker. Get ready. Yeah.
Crazy, looks like they may have popped a belt on their shooter.
On the ground. Drop it.
Here comes Nerds of Prey. They have another note. Ooh, big hit between 11:39:32. Little over a minute left.
Amp again. Waiting too long. It's not. No, back up. It's against the thing. Yeah. Back it up. Put another one down.
Now Nerds of Prey has that note. Nerds of Prey plowing through everybody.
My amp?
You got amp, and then you got one in front. Oh, they just stole it.
People say swerve is to avoid. They say swerve is to destroy.
Amp. You got 7 seconds to get here. 5, 4, 3.
Nerds of Prey on their way back there. Their speaker is amplified.
Right there, amp that one. We're down, we're up. Get ready to throw. 20 seconds
20
left.
seconds left.
Take a breath. Yeah, do that, fuck.
Gravy swipes that sharp note.
Yeah, and then speaker this.
Nerds of Prey on the way back.
9 seconds.
It's a close match as we come down the climb. Up goes Stallions.
No.
Go! Oh no!
That counts.
Was that buzzer? I think we're good.
Yeah, that was that buzzer we were up. At the buzzer we were up.
Oh, did we lose an Omni?
No, the intake the intake went coast.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It dropped. It goes to coast.
Why is it coming out?
It goes to coast after. That's why. It's because I'm hanging backwards. This is Vex.
Dollar bill. Who's got a bill?
I think it still counts. Well, okay, then I'll just start. I'll hang the other way then.
I don't think we got it.
I'll hang the other way then. So now that I know that happens. Oh my goodness.
How do we prevent that?
I just hang the other way.